How to fix Facebook locked account. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. Now first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Here you have to open apps option, and then here on apps option search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and go to storage option. Click now on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then back, and click on force stop, and click also OK. And now what you should do, you will go to notifications option, disallow it, and allow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.